Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Autumn is a beautiful time to cook apple pies. So today I'm gonna share with you a recipe of the apple pie. You will be definitely surprised by the time it's gonna take you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure to hit button below. I have a lot of recipes and more to come. You will need flour. I'm using almond flour and semolina flour. Nuts. You can add any nuts you like. Sugar, baking powder, poppy seeds, honey, cinnamon, nutmeg, and of course apples. Let's prepare dough first. Mix flour with sugar, baking powder, cinnamon, and nutmeg. After that, mix it well, and it's ready. Next, let's do apples. You will need to grate them. When it's done, add poppy seeds and honey and mix it good. Now it's time to put everything together. The first row will be the dough. Next one is apple. After that, do the dough again and add apples again. In the end, cover it with the dough. And finally, put it into the preheated to 350 Fahrenheit degrees oven for 45-50 minutes.